Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to create Blender MCP by using Claude desktop application. So for this we will be requiring the Claude desktop app, and then we will configure it with Blender MCP code from GitHub. So first let's begin with downloading Claude. First thing, just Google Claude download. You'll be getting the first link from claude.ai. Select it. And currently you're having for two operating system, one is for Windows and another one is for Mac. If you're having the 64-bit, you can select this, or you can just go on with the normal Windows download. So it is about 113 MB in size. Once the download is complete, just open it. And that's it. Automatically it will open us the Claude desktop interface, and also you'll be having a shortcut in your desktop. So next thing, just sign in with your Google or your email, and make sure that you sign in with your Google account over here. And once you sign in, you can just click on open Claude. So now that we have downloaded Claude, now let's go and get our Blender MCP from GitHub. So for this, just Google Blender MCP GitHub, and you'll be having this first link. Click that, and this repository is from Jasid. Big shout out to him, like he has done an incredible work on this. And here in this code we will be having this addon.py. This particular file will be there. Click it and make sure that you are downloading it. Just download raw file. So this is a .py Python file. So once you have downloaded, that's the first step. Next we need to install the UV package. So if you are on Mac, you need to follow this, but I am on Windows, and there are also other steps to install UV. This is by using PowerShell. So we can just open it in a new tab. So here, go to Windows. We are having the PowerShell method, and we can also install it through pip. So basically it's your choice how you want to install. I will just follow it with the PowerShell way. So I'll just copy this and go to command prompt and just paste this command and hit enter. That's it. This is getting downloaded. And next we need to set this path. So you are just going to copy this particular path, paste it over here and hit enter. That's it. Now if you search the command UV, you are getting this. So if you aren't getting this, it means that you have made some mistake. So even if you close and reopen it again and type UV, it will be there. If this method doesn't work, just go and install pip install UV. This will also work absolutely fine. And next thing is we need to integrate with Claude desktop. So here we are having the MCP server code. So it says us to go to Claude settings, developer, edit config. So this is for cursor. If you have cursor, you can just try using this setup. So now for Claude, I will just go and copy this and open our Claude desktop. To the top, you will be having this 3 lines icon. Click it, go to file and settings. Here you will be having developer, and for your information I am using the free version of Claude desktop. I don't even have a paid version. So click on edit, and we'll be having this Claude desktop config. Right click, and if you're having Visual Studio Code, I would recommend you to open it using that. Open it, and you'll be just having empty curly bracket. Remove that and paste it. So you need to just have this particular setup. Save it and close this, and also close your Claude. Just close everywhere. And here you'll be having this hidden icons. Right click and exit Claude completely. You need to restart your Claude completely. Again, now go and open Claude. And here, as you can see, we are having this 17 MCP tools. Now let's just go and open Blender. And now we are inside Blender. What you are doing here is click on edit, preferences, and at the top you are having this install option. Under add-ons, go to add-ons and click on install, and here you need to select the addon.py file which we downloaded earlier. So it will be in downloads. Click that particular file and click on install add-on, and here you will be having the Blender MCP like this. Make sure that you are enabling this. Just check this checkbox. You'll be having a small one. Make sure that you are checking this, really important thing. Once you are done checking this, close it and just press the key N. As you can see here, we are having the Blender MCP. Select this and click on start MCP server, and that's it. It's running on port 9876. Now if I go to Claude desktop, I can literally ask this to do anything in Blender. As you can see, we are having a cube over here, right? Now let me just go and ask create me a home in hut style. This is going to be my prompt, and I will just run this, and I'll just put Blender and Claude side by side. So this will ask you allow tool from Blender local. You just need to click allow for this chat. Click again, and as you can see here, it has deleted the cube, and it has given us a base for our home. So that's it, it has completely generated. And if I go to my Blender and just look at how this looks, yeah, it has added all these stuff like some bonfire stones and wood, and it has also added some poles over here, and I assume this is going to be the door because this part looks different from all. And let me see what kind of colors it has added. So I'll just go here, viewport shading, and look at this, it has also added the coloring for this. I mean, I'm not going to complain because I literally gave it 5 words and I pressed like that allow in this chat like 5 times, and it has literally generated me so much of things. And I really like this fire kind of text over here, like the lighting over here also, it looks so realistic like fire. So this is basically how you can use it, guys. I hope you have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel and a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.